Learning with GBA, Episode 8, Branded Social Selling. Position your brand to increase sales. Hi, welcome to the Global Brand Academy's Learning with GBA. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗆𝗍𝗍 and I am the Chief Experience Officer of the Brand Cater Worldwide and the Head Brand Coach of the Global Brand Academy. I've been ranked number 2 in the world as a global brand thought leader, and I've also written 8 best-selling books on branding. Probably one of the greatest challenges today is positioning your brand online. It is your ability to be social in a disruptive online climate. Over the years, I've seen sales professionals struggle with their ability to engage effectively, be social, and sell both their brand and personal brand online. The failure to do this is costing organizations and these professionals millions of dollars in sales and commissions. I want to share with you our signature program, Branded Social Selling, where we can help you position your personal brand, your organization's brand, and to help you engage effectively with your target audience. Believe it or not, social selling is not just as easy as creating content. It is a strategic process. It is about building rapport, creating conversations, engaging with your communities in the way that makes them say, I trust you, I trust your brand, and I want to do business with you. I'm going to take you through how you can be a powerful brand that stands out and sells more, and to enhance your credibility in the marketplace. We're going to teach you all about social selling that is brand-centric to make sure that you are deliberate, strategic in how you position yourself and your brand online to acquire more sales and create powerful relationships. We're going to show you how to engage with your stakeholders by using and leveraging the different social platforms and networks. We're going to talk about how you can build long-term relationships, trust, and credibility with your stakeholders. In this program, we're going to look at what is branded social selling and why is it so important today. And you're going to learn how to integrate your personal brand in the social selling system that we have developed. All this using our proprietary framework where you can learn how to develop your personal brand and create a powerful social selling platform and system that is useful for you to build your own network and increase sales. Here are some key learning outcomes. Real-world branded social selling tactics that I have used myself personally to acquire millions of dollars in business. We're going to learn how to use personal branding to impact social selling. You're going to learn how to create targeted messages across your various social networks and platforms. You're going to learn how to create meaningful and relevant content that speaks to your target audience. You're going to use social selling as an art and as a tool. In our workshops, in our programs, we're going to share what I've done to impact thousands of individuals, especially in sales, to help you improve your social selling skills and to help you build your personal brand and impact your bottom line. For inquiries, visit our website or social pages. Links are in the bio. My name is Dr. 𝗵𝗆𝗍𝗍 and this is Learning with GBA.